Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to Pinterest pin. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open up your Pinterest application. Then tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Then tap on Pin. Tap on the image that you want to post. Then tap on the next button. Then tap on the pencil icon which is at the top right corner of your picture. Now at the bottom you can see different options. To add music, tap on the music icon. Now select the music. Tap on the Add button. Tap on the Done button at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on Next. Add title. Add description. Also, you can add link, pick a word, and tag topics. Then tap on Create. And this is how you can add music to Pinterest pin. Thank you for watching the online help guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.